It's not like perfect, more like effortless, subconscious. It's like all of the atoms, they coming together to bring us a goddess.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hello, I'm Subrena. If you are not new to this, I hope you're subscribed. So I am back with, I guess, the first official video of my hair restoration, how I stopped my excessive hair loss from just your hair is falling out, you don't know what's going on, or you do know what's going on and you just want something that's going to help stop it. You're tired of seeing your whole head in the sink on the ground. When you blow at your hair, it falls out. That was where I was at a few months ago. Okay, and it's not fun. It can be a little bit traumatizing, to be honest. Yeah, whatever the reason is, if you have excessive hair shedding, then I really hope this video helps. If you want more, I guess, detail on my specific reason and what's going on with mine, then make sure you definitely check out my latest hair update video. I will make sure I leave that down below so you can know all of the different angles that I was battling hair loss from. Yeah, because it was a few things, y'all. It wasn't just one, it was a few things. But yeah, so I'm going to show you guys the hair loss that I was experiencing 4 to 6 months ago. We can even say like 3 to 6 months ago. It was really bad during that phase, and then I'll show you from, I guess, from like a 3 months till most recently, the very last time I washed my hair, and the hair loss that I experienced then. It is a significant difference, okay? Significant difference. I do want to say though, before we get into it, that if you're not fixing what the issue is internally, because if your hair is falling out at an excessive rate, that's more than the normal hair shedding cycle, because we all go through a hair shedding cycle, but if it's abnormally more than that, there's something going internally that is off, that we need to fix. And you can do as much on the outside as possible, and it may band-aid it for a little bit, but you will never ever solve your problem if you don't fix what's on the inside. And honestly, you're just not gonna have the best hair health. That's just a no-brainer. So please go to your doctor, get your blood levels checked, make sure everything's good with your health, get your vitamin level checked, your hormone levels checked if you're a female, especially if you're, in your 30s and up, because that starts getting a little crazy. Okay, if you just had a baby, that gets real crazy. Okay, our bodies go through so much, and a lot of time we just really have no idea what's going on in the inside unless if you go to a doctor. So please do all of your annual checkups and be the person that just goes above and beyond and asks for everything. Test me for everything, doctor. Just do it. Do it. But this mixture has helped me so much over these past 6 months. It's cut down the shedding a lot. So it's a little bit of a twist on the traditional black tea rinse, and basically we just incorporated a few more natural herbs that just has a lot more hair and hair health benefits and goodness versus just the black tea. So let's go ahead and get into the video. Before we get into this video, I want to say thank you to Rose Forever for sponsoring today's video. This is my second bouquet from them and I am in love. The name says it all. These roses last up to a year. I had my first one for almost 2 years before I finally tossed them. The roses are treated with natural oils. They are soft to the touch and so beautiful. I love my heart-shaped box and the extra storage compartment it comes with. It screams love, and I can't get enough. This is the perfect gift for any lady in your life, especially with Mother's Day coming up. They have a sale going on, so make sure you don't miss out. Use my code Subrena25 for $25 off your order. They have a great selection of rose colors and boxes, so you can get something unique and specific to their liking. Make sure you check out my description box for more info. Thank you again, Rose Forever, for my new bouquet. I absolutely love it. Okay, you guys, so let's get into this mixture. So the first ingredient that we will be using obviously is some English black tea. I use about 3 tea bags per mixture. You can use more if you would like. It just makes it more potent. So the black tea contains caffeine, which is going to block DHT, which is the cause of your hair fall. The next ingredient is horsetail leaf, and this is super high in silica, selenium. It stimulates hair growth and it rejuvenates your hair. Our next ingredient is going to be cloves, and if you know anything about cloves, they are a powerhouse. They're rich in antioxidants, vitamins, minerals. I have all of the information on the screen so I don't talk too much, but they are jam-packed with goodness. And our last ingredient is going to be fenugreek seed. Now this is a true powerhouse. Again, read the screen for all of its benefits. So I do steep my tea in a glass bowl because I do it very hot and I want it to steep for a while. So I'm going to go ahead and place my black tea in there, and I'm also adding a tablespoon of all of my other ingredients. So I'm doing a tablespoon of the horsetail leaf, a tablespoon of my cloves, and a tablespoon of the fenugreek seeds. So after I have all of my ingredients in my bowl, I am going to put some hot boiling water on it so it can steep and let all of the nutrients, the vitamins, all of the goodness from all of the ingredients really get into the mixture. So I'm just going to go ahead and give it a really good stir and make sure everything's saturated and really in there. And then I do cover my bowl with a plastic lid, and I let this steep for about an hour. After that hour, I do come back, and then I basically just mix my mixture around. And while all of your ingredients are sitting in the hot water, it's going to become softer. It's going to release all of the nutrients that you want. So I go back in with my spoon and I basically press out all of the nutrients out of the cloves, out of the fenugreek seeds, because they're very hard when they go in, but once they sit in your hot water for a while, they actually swell up and they get pretty soft. So I just smush them out and I make sure I'm getting all the goodness in my tea. And after I do this, I typically leave it to steep for longer. I will steep this anywhere from an hour to overnight, to be honest. It just depends on how long I have. Obviously, the longer you steep it, the more nutrients gets into the water, gets into your tea. After that, I do strain it and I put it into a spray bottle. I go back and forth between a spray bottle or just a concentration nozzle that I could just squirt. Whatever is easier for you. It depends how I'm doing my hair. So to apply this, it's very self-explanatory, obviously. You're just going to apply this to your scalp. That's the main area you want to focus on because that's where your hair is falling out. That's where your receptors on your scalp, it's shrinking. It's acting up, okay? It's acting like it don't want to do its job. So we want to mainly focus on our scalp. Please be aware that black tea it will stain whatever it is on. So please make sure you're not wearing anything you care about. Cover yourself if you would like. I personally love the fact that black tea does stain because it has actually allowed me to kind of cut out dyeing my hair, to be honest. My hair is super brown, but again, I've been using this for more than half a year now at this point by the time you guys are seeing this. And I have not had a desire to dye my hair because it's actually a really good dye. So that's another thing also. If you don't want your hair to become darker than whatever color it is, this may not be the mixture for you. But again, I mainly concentrate this on my scalp, and when I spray it, I make sure I'm really massaging it into my scalp. And then, that's also going to, increase your hair growth, doing scalp massages and so forth. And I focus on my scalp at first, and then after I will go back and actually spray the shafts of my hair, because again, this tea is jam-packed with goodness, okay? And I want not only my scalp to get it, but also my hair strands, okay? We're gonna make sure we're keeping everything on our head healthy because we're trying to save the hair, okay? It's a movement, save the hair strands. So again, whenever I do my black tea rinse, I always deep condition
the same time. So I do have a natural deep conditioner that I've been using as well. I alternate depending how I'm feeling. I didn't show you guys in this video, but that will be a whole nother video, and that one is an Ayurvedic mixture as well. So here you can see my curls popping, coming back. For all the people that's been wondering about my curls with my keratin treatment, here you go. Here's a quick little texture shot. But yeah, so after I apply my black tea rinse, I immediately go over my hair with my deep conditioner of choice for the day. You can leave your hair like this, shampoo, and then come back and do your deep conditioner. But if you know me, I like to get things out the way, okay? I don't like to be in and out of my hair too often, so I like to just do the step 2 in 1. Yes, I do apply it on my hair as it is. Again, if you are more comfortable, sometimes I wash my hair before and then do it, and then sometimes I don't. It depends how I feel. Personally, I don't really think there's too much of a difference depending on how I do it. But if you want the full benefit of it, then yes, shampoo your hair, especially if you have a lot of product on your hair. Get all of that out the way, because then it would be pointless. But my hair is typically, as you can see, like straight in. I really don't put too much product on my hair anymore because I wear my hair straight most of the time. So yeah, after I just put my deep conditioner on, I let it sit on my hair from anywhere to 30 minutes to an hour depending on what I'm doing for the day, and then I just wash my hair and style as normal.
So this is me actually a week later coming to you guys, but yeah, you just finish washing your hair, styling your hair as normal, and then you're good to go. Personally, I know someone's gonna ask, oh, can you store your black tea rinse? I'm sure you can. Use essential oils if you would like. You could pop it in the refrigerator. I personally don't. I just make my batches fresh every wash day. I typically use up all of it because I would spray it in my hair. I only showed you guys spraying it on my hair this time. But usually I'll like half spray it in my hair and then half use it to mix up a deep conditioner mix. But I didn't do it this time. But either way, I make mine fresh all the time. I don't store it. But that's some ways you can store it. But yeah, it really helps. I don't miss a wash day with this.
Hey y'all, so if you made it this far into the video, ding 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 ding, you are in for a special treat. I am hosting a few giveaways this month just to say a super huge thank you for your continued love and support on my channel. For this giveaway, it's super easy. I just needed you to drop down, have you ever tried a tea rinse before? And if you have, what is your favorite recipe? Also, please drop your Instagram handle. It's the easiest way for me to contact you. This will be open for maybe 1 week. Check the description box.
It has helped significantly decrease my shedding, and I want to say you have to fix what's on the inside, because if I ever fall short of taking care of myself on the inside with my vitamin levels and all of that stuff, I will start to see a change in my hair again, regardless if I'm using the black tea rinse or not. So if you found this video helpful, definitely give it a thumbs up. Let me know if there's any other, I guess, hair loss topics that you guys want to go over. I will be doing a supplement update because that was my main issue, was with my supplements. So I will be doing like a what kind of vitamins / supplements that I take. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Definitely give it a thumbs up if you did, and I will see you guys next time. Bye, love.